back to Cardboard World. Today, I'll take you through a wonderful series of cardboard houses. Let's get started with the video right away.
I am the cutest hamster in the world.
So today, I will make a miniature room for Kuromi and Cinnamoroll. Blue room for Cinnamoroll. And purple room for Kuromi.
Wow!
The bed will be pink.
How do you think about that?
Carefully use scissors to cut off any excess clay underneath. Put it here. Smooth out the surrounding edges.
Let's subscribe.
Next, we will cover that cardboard with a thin layer of black clay and a round lump at the top. 2 ears like this. That's it. And sparkling. Yellow nose and happy smile. More little pink cheeks. That's so cute. Perfect. Bed body. That's great. How adorable. I will make another orange night lamp. The candlestick is also made from purple clay.
That's amazing.
That's awesome. And a cute Kuromi-shaped wall clock.
Do you love this?
How about another cute
So
backpack?
cute.
And purple border.
Wonderful.
With cute Kuromi face. And backstrap.
Excellent.
It's perfect.
If you like it, please comment below.
Kuromi's room is completed. Now let's move on to making a blue room for Cinnamoroll.
That's beautiful.
I will make a sofa first. Cinnamoroll's 2 really big ears. That's it. Decorate the sofa backrest with cute face.
Awesome.
Use beads to make 4 tiny legs.
Excellent.
Put it here.
That's so fun.
Like Kuromi, I'll make Cinnamoroll a cute backpack.
It's adorable.
Wonderfully adorable.
How do you think about that?
Add an alarm clock in the cabinet.
Let's subscribe our channel.
And a small potted plant. Some books.
Excellent.
Whoa!
More lovely Cinnamoroll head to decorate this cabinet.
Lovely.
a camera, and a few tiny decoration items.
That's amazing.
Make more tea table and chairs here. Border around it. Old bottle lid to make table leg.
Do you love this?
Donut chairs.
So cute.
That's so cute.
Wonderful.
Oh, wow!
Kuromi and Cinnamoroll's rooms are
If you
completed.
like it, please
What do you think
comment
about this
below.
miniature house today? Which room do you like more? Blue room or purple room? Please leave a comment below. Now let's take a look at the house again.
That's beautiful.
Don't go anywhere. There are many more cute miniature houses there. Please watch with me. I am the cutest hamster in the world.
Today we're going to
Awesome.
make an adorable house for Hello Kitty and Kuromi. A lovely rainbow stair. Stick cardboard sheet together to make a cardboard block, then wrap it by color paper. Now let's make the
That's
mattress.
so fun.
Cover with fabric. Put it here. Use tool to make it shape.
It's adorable.
Then use it to wrap a cardboard sheet. Add eyes and nose to it. Now let's brush Kitty's cheeks.
That's amazing.
Add legs for Kitty. A beautiful bow. Now I will make a bed for Kuromi.
Excellent.
Oh, yes!
Put the mattress here. Add one blanket for her. Now we will make a Kuromi head. Brush her
That's
cheeks.
beautiful.
So great! It's time to sleep. Now wrap it with colored paper. Stick the edge.
It's adorable.
And remaining components. Lovely bow shelf.
Do you love this?
Stick the edge of the flower. Put it in the kitchen. Go to the market.
How do you think about that?
That's awesome. Let's put it in the kitchen.
Yummy.
Now let's make a sofa. And ears
So
for
cute.
Kuromi. We're almost finished. Let's look back and see what we've accomplished.
Wonderful. If you like it,
Today we're going to make an
comment
adorable
below.
house for Bunny. Place a pedestal here. Use glue to stick a piece of red paper on top. Stick to the edge. Use glue to stick the table legs. Add table legs. Completed one table. Take one piece of blue clay
Let's
and roll it
subscribe
into a
our
ball to
channel.
create a shape. Wrap another piece of blue clay. Almost done. Take one orange clay and create shape. Use a knife to shape it. I got one cute carrot. Lovely.
Awesome.
Need one piece of white clay. Use your hands to shape it. Cut off the excess parts. Use tool to create shape.
Lovely.
Add one piece of black clay. Add one small carrot. A lovely computer. Put it here. Let's see something together. wonderful?
That's amazing.
Now we will make a mattress. Use glue to stick the cotton together. Cover with fabric. I got one mattress. Use your hands to make it into a ball.
That's beautiful.
I got the rabbit head shape. Now let's do the ears. Next will be the eyes for the rabbit.
Excellent.
Draw on it. And a few flowers. Add legs to it.
It's adorable.
It's time to go to bed. Now we will make a refrigerator. And one leaf. Let's go buy something.
How do you think about that?
Hello.
Put it in the basket. Let's pay together. One carrot gas stove.
Do you love this?
Now ask the birds for some eggs. Now let's steal eggs. So poor.
If you like it, please comment below.
Put a swimming pool here. And one ladder. Now let's review what we did.
So cute.